Before going to the next exercise, we will see the concepts in the exercise. Division of fractions. Division of fractions. See, 3 by 4 divided by 2 by 3 is equals to 3 by 4 into this 2 by 3 will become as the reciprocal, that is 3 by 2. 2 by 3 will become as 3 by 2, having the symbol with multiplication. Okay. And if you can see another example, 2 by 3 divides 1 by 4, because this 2 by 3 into 4 by 1, so 4 by 1 is 1 into 3, 4 into 2 is 8, so this is 8 by 3. Like this, we have the option of division of fractions. We will see here more clearly dividing the fractions. 3 by 4 divided by 2 by 7. We will keep this 3 by 4 as it is 3 by 4, and this division will change as multiplication, and this number will flip. The reciprocal 2 by 7 will become as 7 by 2. So 3 into 7 is equals to 21, and 4 into 2 is equals to 8. That means 21 by 8 is the answer. Reciprocal. What is the reciprocal? Reverse of a number is called as reciprocal. The original will be a by b and the reciprocal will be b by a. Observe carefully. Original is a by b and reciprocal is b by a. Okay. Once again, what is the reciprocal? We will reflip. Okay, reciprocal. 3 by 7 can be flipped to one turn, so it is called as 7 by 3. This is called as the reciprocal. Okay. Division of a fraction by a whole number. 2 by 3 divides 4. We can rewrite this 4 as 4 by 1. So this is 2 by 3 into 1 by 4. Okay. See one more example, 2 by 3 divided by 2. So we can rewrite this as 2 by 3 into 1 by 2, because this is having 2 by 1. Okay. So 2 and 2 are cancelled and 1 by 3 is the result. Division of a fraction by another fraction. One more example. 1 by 3 divided by 4 by 5. So we have 1 by 3 into, this will be flip the second fraction and multiply. So 5 by 4. This is one more example. 5 by 6 divided by 5 by 12. This can be rewritten as 5 by 6 into 12 by 5. 6 cancel here, okay, 2 times, and 5 cancels each other. So it is 1 into 2 by 1 into 1, that is 2 by 1, which is equals to 2. Next, exercise 2.4. Find these things. 12 by 4 is equals to 12 into 4 by 3. 12 divided by 3 by 4 can be written as 12 into 4 by 3. 3 cancels 12 4 times. So 4 into 4 is equals to 16. Next one, 14 divided by 5 by 6. So we can rewrite this as 14 into 6 by 5, that is 84 by 5, because 6 into 14 is equals to 84. 84 can be divided with 5, so we will get remainder 4. So 16 of 4 by 5 is the answer. Third problem, 18 divided by 7 by 3. This is equals to 8 into 3 by 7. This is 24 by 7. This is equals to 3 of 3 by 7, because 24 was divided with 7 to get a remainder of 3. Next one, 4 divided by 8 by 3. It can be written as 4 into 3 by 8. 4 cancels 8 two times, so this will be 3 by 2 and can be converted as 1.5. Next problem, 3 divided by 2 of 1 by 3, that is 3 divided by 7 by 3. We can rewrite this as 3 into 3 by 7, that is 9 by 7. Also we can write it as 1 of 2 by 7. Sixth problem, 5 divided by 3 of 4 by 7. This 3 of 4 by 7 can be rewrite as 25 by 7. Okay, so we can write this as 5 into 7 by 25. 5 cancels 25 5 times, that is 7 by 5. If we can divide 7 with 5, 2 is the remainder here. So we can write this as 1 of 2 by 5. Question number 2. Find the reciprocal of each of the following fraction. Classify the reciprocals as proper fractions, improper, and whole numbers. A reciprocal of 3 by 7 is 7 by 3. It is improper fraction. What is an improper fraction? The numerator is greater than the denominator. A reciprocal of 5 by 8, 8 by 5. Improper fraction again. A reciprocal of 9 by 7, it is 7 by 9, which is a proper fraction because numerator is less than the denominator. Next, reciprocal of 6 by 5, 5 by 6, which is a proper fraction. Reciprocal of 12 by 7 is 7 by 12, which is proper fraction. Next, reciprocal of 1 by 8 is 8. This is a whole number. And the reciprocal of 1 by 11 is 11, also a whole number. Next, question number 3. Find 7 by 3 divided by 2, that is 7 by 3 into, this is 2 by 1, so reciprocal of 2 by 1 is into 1 by 2. Okay, so this is 7 by 6. We can also write as 1 of 1 by 6. Next, 4 by 9 divided by 5. This is 4 by 9 into 1 by 5, that is 4 by 45. Next, 6 by 13 divided by 7. This is equals to 6 by 13 into 1 by 7, that is 6 into 1 is 6, 13 into 7 is 91. Next, 4 of 1 by 3 divided by 3 is equals to 13 by 3, because 4 into 3, 12 plus 1, 13 by 3 divided by 3 is equals to 13 by 3 into 1 by 3, that is 13 by 9. We can rewrite this as 1 of 4 by 9. Next, 3.5 divided by 4 is equals to 7 by 2 divided by 4. This is equals to 7 by 2 into 1 by 4, which is equals to 7 by 8. Next, 4 of 3 by 7 is equal, 4 of 3 by 7 divided by 7 is equals to 31 by 7 divided by 7. 4 into 7, 28 plus 3, 31 by 7. Okay, this can be rewritten as 31 by 7 into 1 by 7, that is 31 by 7 into 7, 49. 31 by 49. Next problem, find the following. First question, 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. So the reciprocal is 2 by 5 into 2 by 1. 2 into 2 is 4 by 5. Next, 4 by 9 divided by 2 by 3. This is 4 by 9 into 3 by 2. 2 cancels 4 2 times and 3 cancels here 3 times. So 2 into 1 is equals to 2 by 3 into 1 is equals to 3. Third question, 3 by 7 divided by 8 by 7, that is 3 by 7 into 7 by 8. 7 and 7 cancels each other, so the result is 3 by 8. Next, 2 of 1 by 3 divided by 3 by 5 is equals to 7 by 3 divided by 3 by 5. So this is, we can write it as 7 by 3 into 5 by 3, that is 35 by 9. If we have take the division of 35 with 9, the remainder is 8. So the answer is 3 of 8 by 9. Next problem, 3 and half divided by 8 by 3. 3 and half can be written as 7 by 2 divided by 8 by 3. So this can be in turn 7 by 2 into 3 by 8. So 7 into 3 is 21, 2 into 8 is 16. 21 divides with 16, the remainder is 5. So it is 1 of 5 by 16. Sixth problem, 2 by 5 divides 1 and half. This is equals to 2 by 5 divides 2 into 1 plus 1, 3 by 2. This is equals to 2 by 5 into 2 by 3. So we can write it as 2 into 2 is 4, 5 into 3 is 15. Question number 7. 3 of 1 by 5 divided by 1 of 2 by 3. This is equals to 3 into 5, 15 plus 1, 16 by 5 divided by 3 into 1, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 by 3. This we can rewrite as 16 by 5 into 3 by 5. 16 into 3 is 48, 5 into 5 is 25, so 48 by 25. Okay, we can rewrite this as 1 of 23 by 25 by taking the 23 as remainder. Next, 2 of 1 by 5 divided 1 of 1 by 5. So we can rewrite this as 11 by 5 plus 6 by 5. Okay, if we can make the change as 11 by 5 into 5 by 6, 5 will cancel with 5 each other and 11 by 6 is the answer. And we can write this as 1 of 5 by 6. With this, we have completed this exercise. Thank you.